Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. If you enjoy learning English through calm daily life, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel so much and lets me know you enjoy these quiet moments with me. Now, let's start my evening routine after dinner. After dinner, I like to slow down. The sun has set, and the world outside becomes quiet. This is my time to unwind. The day is almost over, and I want to feel relaxed. My body and my mind need this gentle time. It is a soft and peaceful transition from the busy day to a restful night. I move slowly and with purpose. Every action is meant to bring comfort and calm into my home and into my heart. It is a simple ritual, but it is very important to me. It helps me to close the day with a feeling of peace and quiet happiness. The evening is a special time. It feels like a soft blanket wrapping around me, making everything feel safe and calm. First, I clean the table. This is the very first step in my evening ritual. I put away the plates and cups that we used for our meal. I gather the silverware, the napkins, and anything else left on the table. Then, I take a clean, damp cloth. I wipe the table with a clean cloth. I move the cloth in slow, gentle circles across the wood. I watch as the crumbs and small spills disappear. A clean space helps me feel calm. It's like clearing my mind. When my environment is tidy, my thoughts feel more organized and peaceful. It is a small task, but it has a big impact on how I feel. The clean, empty table looks so peaceful under the soft evening light. It signals that the meal is over and the time for rest has begun. I enjoy this simple act of care for my home. Then, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is still warm from cooking dinner. I carry the dishes from the table to the sink. I rinse the dishes and put them in the sink. I use warm water. The sound of the running water is very soothing. It's a quiet, constant sound that fills the kitchen. Sometimes I wash them right away. If I have energy, I like to wash all the dishes by hand. I fill the sink with warm, soapy water and watch the bubbles form. Washing each plate and cup one by one can be very meditative, but sometimes I leave them for later. If I feel a little tired, I will just rinse them and stack them neatly by the side of the sink. I tell myself it's okay to rest. Tomorrow is another day. The most important thing is to listen to my body and do what feels right in the moment. The kitchen becomes a quiet space for this gentle work. After that, I like to make a warm drink. This is one of my favorite parts of the evening. It feels like a special treat just for me. Usually, I drink tea. I have many kinds of tea in my cupboard. Sometimes I choose chamomile tea, which is very calming and helps me feel sleepy. Sometimes I choose a gentle mint tea, which is refreshing and soothing for my stomach. Tonight, I think I will have a simple herbal tea with a little bit of honey. I boil the water and pour it carefully into my favorite mug. I watch the steam rise from the cup. It looks like a little cloud. I hold the cup and take small sips. The warmth spreads through my hands and into my body. It feels warm and comforting. It's like a hug from the inside. This simple cup of tea helps me to slow down even more and just be present in the quiet moment. Next, I sit down and rest. I usually choose my favorite armchair in the living room. It is soft and cozy. I bring my warm tea with me. For a few moments, I just sit and do nothing at all. I listen to the quiet sounds of my home. Maybe I hear the gentle hum of the refrigerator or the soft tick-tock of the clock on the wall. After a few minutes of quiet, I check my phone for a few minutes. I don't scroll through social media endlessly. That can make my mind feel busy again. Instead, I focus on connecting with people I care about. I reply to messages slowly. I take my time to write thoughtful responses to my friends and family. I don't rush. This isn't a task to finish quickly. It's a way to connect and share a little bit of my day with them. Then, I put my phone away. I set it to charge for the night, so I am not tempted to look at it again before I sleep. This creates a clear boundary between my day and my night. Then, I prepare for the night. This is the final stage of my routine before going to my bedroom. I go to the bathroom. The bathroom is a quiet, private space. I wash my face with cool water and a gentle cleanser. It feels so refreshing. It washes away the tiredness of the day. I pat my face dry with a soft, clean towel. Then, I brush my teeth. I do this slowly and carefully. I like quiet moments in the bathroom. The water sounds help me relax. The sound of the tap running, The soft splash of water in the sink. These simple sounds are very calming. They help to clear my mind and prepare it for sleep. It's a peaceful ritual of self-care. It is a way of saying goodnight to my body and thanking it for all its hard work during the day. This simple routine makes me feel clean, fresh, and ready for rest. After that, I change into comfortable clothes. This is a very important step. Changing my clothes signals to my body that the day is officially over and it is time to rest completely. I open my drawer and choose my favorite pajamas. Soft pajamas are my favorite. I love the feeling of soft cotton or flannel against my skin. It's a feeling of pure comfort. I change out of the clothes I wore all day and slip into my cozy sleepwear. Instantly, I feel more relaxed. My body feels free and unrestricted. Comfort is very important in the evening. Feeling comfortable in my clothes helps my muscles to relax. It helps my mind to let go of any tension I might be holding. It's another small act of kindness to myself. It's about creating the perfect environment for a peaceful and deep sleep. Wearing something soft and warm makes me feel cared for and ready to curl up in bed. Before bed, I like to think about my day. I don't lie down to sleep right away. I sit on the edge of my bed for a few moments, in the quiet of my room. The lights are dim. I think about good moments. Maybe it was a beautiful flower I saw on my walk, a kind word from a friend, or the delicious taste of the dinner I ate. I hold on to these small, happy memories. This practice is called gratitude. It helps me to end the day on a positive note. It reminds me that even on ordinary days, there are always things to be thankful for. I also plan for tomorrow. Just a little. I don't make a long, detailed list. That would make my mind too busy. I just think about one or two important things I want to do. For example, I might think, tomorrow, I want to finish that chapter of my book, or tomorrow, I will call my mother. This simple, gentle planning helps me feel prepared, but not stressed. It gives me a sense of direction for the next day. Finally, I turn off the lights. The room becomes dark and peaceful. I see the soft glow of the moonlight coming through my window. I get into bed and feel grateful. I pull the covers up to my chin. The bed feels warm and safe. I take a deep breath in and a long breath out. I feel my whole body sink into the mattress. I feel the softness of my pillow under my head. This is how I end my day. With a clean home, a calm mind, and a grateful heart. I am ready for sleep. I am ready to rest and recharge for a new day. These simple evening rituals help me to sleep well and wake up feeling refreshed and happy. They are my gift to myself at the end of each day. Here are some useful English phrases from today. After dinner, I want to relax. I prepare for the night. You can use these phrases to talk about your own evening routine. For example, you can say, after dinner, I like to read a book, or I want to relax with some music. It's a great way to practice your English. Thank you for spending this calm evening with me. I hope you feel relaxed and peaceful. Good night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.